Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing another Halloween look for you. This look is going to be Ariel, but a little bit different. Basically, it's going to be Ariel with some fish scales on her face. So where her scales meet her face, there's going to be a little line of some blood. And just to make it a little bit extra Halloween appropriate, and I'm going to be using liquid latex and some tissue paper for that. Here is my inspiration picture right here. I think I saw this on Pinterest. I think I actually saved this picture about a year ago. I've been wanting to do this look since last year. I'm really excited to be able to attempt it today. I do have a red wig for this look to make everything come together. I'm a little bit tired today. I just drank a bunch of coffee. That might be why my voice is so low. I'm just a little tired today, so to pick me up out of this tired spell that I'm in, I really just want to do a Halloween look. I'm really inspired. I've been watching Halloween Baking Championship all day, so I'm definitely in a Halloween mood. I mean, I'm kind of in a Halloween mood all year, but especially today. So now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I did was I took a brown eyeliner and kind of made an outline for where I wanted the scales to go. I'm using this CC Beauty paint palette that I got from Amazon. This is also the dupe for the Makeup Forever Flash palette. I'm using the light blue color from that palette and putting that all over the area where the scales are going to go. This is kind of like the first layer for the scales. So what I'm doing right here is I'm actually doing a negative space outline with a teeny tiny brush in order to outline where I wanted the scales to go. I tried initially just going straight in with like a brown eyeshadow, and I found that it looked really messy, so I liked this negative space technique a lot better. And then from there I just traced it over with some black eyeliner. Now I am taking the red paint from that paint palette and just making my little Ariel eyebrows. I also went back in with my eyebrows with a red liquid lipstick just to make my hair stick down a little bit better, and I think that that worked really well. So now we are jumping into using the liquid latex and the tissue paper. Please enjoy this montage of me trying to open this bottle of latex. Okay, now we are back. So I am dipping into the liquid latex with a Q-tip and then just going along the edge of the scales. And I'll be honest, this process takes a little bit of time because you have to wait to put the tissue paper on until the latex is super tacky, otherwise it won't stick and it just won't look very good. So it does take a long time to do this process, but it did end up looking pretty cool. So even though I put in a good amount of time doing it, I think it was definitely worth it. After you get the liquid latex and the tissue paper on, it ends up drying as this weird yellow color. So I always go back over it with my foundation color to kind of make it match my skin a little bit better. So now for the gel blood, I'm going to be using a tiny little brush and then putting the blood where the scales meet the liquid latex border. I kind of wanted it to look like the scales were coming over the face, and if the skin was kind of being ripped off my face and the scales were taking over. So that's why I only put the blood on that side. There I'm using the Jaclyn loose powder, and I think that's the loose highlighter in the color Extra, I want to say, something like that, just to make myself look a little bit more princessy. I popped on the red wig, and that is the finished look. So that is it for this look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Halloween content and just makeup content in general. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. I had so much fun making it for you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.